Well, welcome back to another Uncle Keith's Paint Shop video. And yes, this is something a little bit retro and extremely gorgeous. It is, I'm told, a Lotus Cortina. What are we doing to it, Rich? Keith? Team?
Had a little bit of a, it's a historic race car, so obviously they use it in a race series. It's had a little tap on the offside wing there.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, I can see that, yeah.
Yeah, so obviously mandate is knock that out as best as possible and repair and paint it.
It is a gorgeous car.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Well,
more than I can afford.
well, I don't believe that for 1 second. Right, let's crack on.
Naturally going to fade, so even if you get it as close as you can, it's always going to be slightly.
Well, there you go, Keith. Something a bit different, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You happy with it?
Yeah.
It looked like a lot of hard work, mate.
It's not necessarily hard work, but just a bit more time consuming than the normal thing that we do. Just because we've had to put this second colour on.
Oh, I see. The cream stripe.
Yeah.
Also, matching colours was a thing with this car as well.
Well,
it previously had some repairs on the opposite side, wasn't happy with the colour. So he asked us, obviously, so we've had to get the colour formulated, so we've had to send a piece of the car away, and then they've actually matched the colour to that.
Well, what's the original colour, like 50 years old?
Yes, this is 1965, I believe, so yeah, it's a good few years old.
Because I know a previous company have done some repairs to the car, haven't they?
This car's been restored, so it was done by Normandales, I think he said it was.
Oh,
so
right.
it was restored by Normandales, which obviously painted the car, and then obviously it's obviously a race car, so it's had little knocks here and there, and it's been painted a few times in different areas, and no one's ever really managed to get the colour right.
But we have.
So I think I'm not going to say it's 100%, because that's, I don't think you can ever say that, but I think we're at least 95.
I love it. I love it. It's such something different to see. And as it's actually a competing car, it's pretty cool. I'd love to see like videos of it go around the track. Paul's one of the drivers. Yeah, beautiful. Well done. If you've got a classic and it wants a bit of paint, give us a shout. We don't just do Mad Hondas and Supras and things like that. We also do, well, anything you can put some paint on. So give us a shout at Uncle Keith's Paint Shop. I will see you all on the next one. Won't we, lads? That's how old I feel.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.